Welcome to our roundup of the best chisel sets, essential woodworking tools designed for carving, shaping, trimming, and fine detailing with precision and control. Whether you're working on furniture, DIY crafts, or professional woodworking projects, a good chisel set helps you achieve clean cuts and smooth finishes. Modern wood chisels come with hardened steel blades, ergonomic handles, and durable construction for long-lasting performance. Many sets also include multiple sizes, allowing you to handle a wide range of tasks with ease. Choosing the right chisel set can improve your accuracy, efficiency, and overall woodworking results. Let's take a closer look at some of the best chisel sets available right now. Starting with the Met-Cheer wood chisel sets, this set is a practical option for beginners and DIY users who want reliable tools for everyday woodworking tasks. It typically includes multiple chisel sizes, allowing flexibility for carving, trimming, and shaping wood surfaces. The blades are usually made from durable, hardened steel, helping maintain sharpness over time. The handles are designed for comfort, providing better grip and control during use. Many users appreciate its balanced performance and affordability. Additionally, it delivers consistent cutting results for light to medium-duty projects. It also improves user control, ensures stable handling, and supports smooth carving across different woodworking applications. It also enhances precision, reduces hand fatigue during extended use, and provides dependable performance for repeated woodworking tasks and detailed finishing work. Next up is the Grebstick wood chisel set, a solid choice for users looking for durability and dependable performance. This set typically features high-quality steel blades designed to stay sharp and resist wear over time. It often includes a range of sizes suitable for different woodworking needs, from fine detailing to heavier cuts. The handles are usually ergonomically designed, improving comfort and reducing strain during longer projects. Many versions also come with protective caps for safe storage. Users appreciate its durability and ease of use. Additionally, it provides reliable cutting performance and long-lasting usability. It also supports better accuracy, smoother cuts, and improved efficiency during regular woodworking tasks. It also increases tool longevity, enhances grip comfort, improves cutting precision, and delivers stable performance even during extended and demanding woodworking sessions. Moving on to the Twist wood chisel set. This set focuses on versatility and strong overall performance. It typically includes a variety of chisel sizes, making it suitable for different woodworking applications. The blades are often made from heat-treated steel, providing strength and long-term sharpness. The handles are designed for durability and control, allowing users to apply steady pressure while working. Many users find this set useful for both beginners and intermediate woodworking projects. Additionally, it delivers consistent cutting performance and reliable results. It also improves efficiency, enhances precision, and supports smooth operation across various wood types and project requirements. It also provides better edge retention, improves cutting stability, enhances handling control, and ensures consistent results during both detailed and heavy-duty woodworking tasks. Stepping up in quality, the Kukuri Japanese wood chisel set offers a more traditional and precision-focused woodworking experience. These chisels are typically crafted with high-quality steel that provides exceptional sharpness and durability. They are designed for fine woodworking tasks that require high accuracy and clean cuts. The handles are often made from durable wood, offering a comfortable and natural grip. Many users appreciate the craftsmanship and precision these chisels deliver. Additionally, they provide excellent control and smooth cutting performance. It also enhances detailed carving work, improves finishing quality, and supports professional-level woodworking results. It also delivers superior sharpness, improves edge precision, enhances traditional craftsmanship feel, and ensures outstanding performance for intricate and highly detailed woodworking applications. Taking the top spot is the EZ-RZ-RC wood chisel tool set, a high-performance option designed for both professionals and serious DIY users. This set typically features premium hardened steel blades that offer excellent sharpness and durability.
It includes multiple sizes to handle a wide range of woodworking tasks, from rough shaping to fine detailing. The ergonomic handles provide a secure grip, improving comfort and control during extended use. Many users appreciate its strong build quality and consistent performance. Additionally, it delivers precise cutting results and long-term reliability. It also stands out for its durability, versatility, and overall efficiency. It also enhances cutting accuracy, improves long-term durability, supports heavy-duty use, and ensures consistent high-level performance across demanding woodworking projects and professional applications. All of these chisel sets serve different needs depending on skill level, project type, and precision requirements. The Mech-Year set is ideal for beginners and light tasks. The Grebstick set offers durability and reliable everyday performance. The Enter Twist set provides versatility for multiple applications. The Kukuri Japanese set delivers precision and traditional craftsmanship, and the EZ-RZ set stands out as the most powerful and professional option overall. That wraps up our list of the best chisel sets, from beginner-friendly tools to high-performance sets built for precision and durability. If you're working on woodworking projects, improving your craftsmanship, or upgrading your toolkit, there's a great option here for you. Let us know in the comments which chisel set you'd choose, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tool reviews and buying guides. Check the description below for the latest prices and deals, and take your woodworking projects to the next level with the right chisel set.